Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys this loaded baked potato salad, extremely loaded. You can't miss it. Stay tuned and let's get started. All right, before I get started, check the description box for all the measurement. Here I have some mayonnaise. Now to season, I'm using salt, ground black pepper, and dill weed, okay? Here I have some sweet relish. I have sour cream that we'll be adding in there as well. I have some instant mashed potato powder here. We'll be adding green onions, 3 medium-sized red potatoes. You can also use russet potatoes. I have 1 egg here as well. Also, I'll be adding some bacon because this is a loaded baked potato salad. Okay. All right, first thing we're going to do is bake the bacon. I am going to place them on this bacon rack here, then place it in the oven. You can also cook it on a stove top if you like. Moving on, I am going to get ready to cook the potatoes. Just peel them and also cut them uniform size. Do not make some big or some small. Make sure, try your best, okay, because I know it's not easy if you're not using an actual potato cutter. So try your best to make them come out the same size so you don't have some of them is cooked and the other one is not cooked. Now we're going to rinse the potato out. We're going to wash it twice to remove the starch from the potato so we can have a nice white potato salad. Okay, remove all the starch from it. Then once you're done, we're going to start boiling it. All right, now boiling it, I'm adding about 4 cups of water, a few dashes of salt. Then we're going to cover it, let it boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, here it is. Make sure to boil your egg separately, or you can add it to the potatoes as well, but I did boil the eggs separately off camera. Okay, here is the potatoes. I am going to let them sit and cool down, and also the bacon is nice and ready and crispy. So what I am going to do is stack them right on top of each other. Then we're going to give them a nice chop. Now I have my bacon nice and ready. We're going to move on to the egg. Okay, I have the egg here that I boil separately right here. And like I said, you can add it to the potato or boil it by itself. Cut them into small bite size, and we're going to set that aside. Moving on to the potatoes. Now here's the potatoes. They're nice and cooled down. I am going to add the egg in, the green onions, and I'll be adding the bacon. Also, I'll be adding the sweet relish in. And don't forget, this is a loaded baked potato. You can use whatever that you do like to add on your baked potato. Okay, I'm adding some cheddar cheese in as well. Here, we're going to add a little bit of the instant potato, mashed potato powder. Just a few dashes. I'll say 2 tablespoons. And I have the sour cream here as well. Also, I'll be adding a little bit of mayonnaise. Now to season, I'm using a small amount of seasoning because everything that I use already do have some flavor to them. Now I'm using ground black pepper, salt, and some dill weed to season the potato. You can use whatever other seasoning that you like, and trust me, this alone is delicious, delicious. Okay, because you have the bacon, you have the cheese, you have the sour cream, you have the mayonnaise, you have all of those different ingredients to make the potato salad taste so good without over seasoning it. So once you're done, just toss them together, and basically that is the recipe. If you like it more runny, you can add less of the instant mashed potato, or you can add more sour cream or more mayonnaise. I love the way it tastes. I love the way it came out. It tastes absolutely amazing. You can eat it cold or you can eat it hot while it's hot. Like, it's a loaded baked potato salad for a reason. So you can eat it room temperature or while it's kind of hot or warm, if you know what I'm saying. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe out. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. Also subscribe if you're new here. Welcome, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Yum.